You're slobbing that fucking knob, just guzzling it all down. Just slurp, 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 slurp. Slurp, 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 slurp. Every last one of them. They're gonna die on that hill. They're gonna die on that knob slobbing, guzzling hill. I mean, we all know, right? We know. We know. We all know. MAGA fucking knows. But mental gymnastics prevent cognitive thought. I know. I know. Fucking a president, wannabe dictator, thinks he's a fucking king, ruling the country through lies, manipulation, grifting, and social fucking media. Fucking sad. Just somebody fucking bomb us. Because it's only fucking Thursday in March.